This is the Morning Gardener. He's here at Lowe's. Here's some busted bags like I was telling you about a little while back. Here's the garden soil. Let's see, Harvest natural organic garden soil. And that's what it goes for right there. But if the bag is busted, it goes for $3.49. You can see they got about 7 bags here. So you can save a little money if you're into this kind of stuff, buying this kind of stuff. And I got some items over here. Everything's stocked up. Let me show you something else that surprised me that's really stocked up. That usually isn't stocked up in the winter, but they got it stocked up to the hilt. They got all your composters, manures, and look at this. This is my thing here, Black Cow. There it is right there, folks. Take a look at that. You usually can't find it. It's hard to find. You can use the internet and look around and you can find it. But this right here, price is still the same as last year. But it's cow manure. And what it does is it helps your plants stay moist. It fertilizes. It keeps the ground cool in the hot summer. Yeah. There's what that cow manure 555. So it's basically kind of neutral. But I love it because it's cost effective and it does a pretty good job if you're growing like melons and peppers and tomatoes and whatever, really. All right. Then we go over here. Garden Pro is still in the fight. They're trying to let you know they got topsoil, they got manure, improves soil quality, promotes root growth, adds nutrients to the existing soil. Okay. All right. What about that? We didn't know. I don't know. But it's compost slash manure. Compost slash manure. Right here we got the soil conditioner, which is basically leaves. And see right there, environmental service right here in Maryland, where I'm standing at. Maryland is the people who produce this. Compost. I love it. Look what it costs. Almost $5. This your leaves that you throw away. They pick up, ground it up, they compost it, and then sell it back to you for $5 a bag. Only in America. All right, this is the Morning Gardener.